Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into a developing story from Limerick that's raising some serious questions about the justice system. A trial is currently underway involving a retired Garda superintendent and 4 other Gardaí. They're facing accusations of meddling in road traffic prosecutions, and the details emerging are pretty fascinating. The jury has been presented with evidence that really gets to the heart of the matter. Copies of court summonses that were either struck out or withdrawn in district courts across Limerick. We're not talking about minor paperwork here. These summonses were for offenses we see every day, things like speeding, using a mobile phone while driving, not wearing a seatbelt, and even driving without insurance. These are the kinds of offenses that can lead to fines, penalty points, or even losing your license. To help the jury understand what they were looking at, the head of the Limerick court office, Siobhan O'Connor, took the stand. She acted as a guide, explaining the shorthand notes that judges often write on these official documents. For instance, she pointed out that SO means the summons was struck out. When the jury saw Saint, she explained that it indicated the application to strike out was made by a prosecuting sergeant, who represents the state in these matters. Another key abbreviation was WD, which simply stands for withdrawn. The jury was shown a total of 20 of these court summonses, all of which had been either struck out or withdrawn. This evidence forms a central part of the prosecution's case, suggesting a pattern of intervention. However, the defense is painting a very different picture. During cross-examination, defense barrister Felix McElroy, SC, questioned Ms. O'Connor, and this is where things got really interesting. He emphasized a fundamental principle of the court system. He asked Ms. O'Connor to agree that district court judges have the authority to make a wide variety of orders. This includes withdrawing summonses, striking them out, or dismissing a case entirely. Mr. McElroy then made a powerful statement, saying, "There is only one decision-maker in the district court, and that is the judge." Ms. O'Connor agreed with this statement. This line of questioning seems designed to remind the jury that the final call in any court case rests solely with the judge, not with the Gardaí or prosecutors. The defense also explored whether there was anything unusual about these cases. For example, Mr. McElroy presented a common scenario. A motorist is stopped and doesn't have their driving license on them. They are then required to produce it at a Garda station within a certain time frame. If they do, it's not unusual for the related summons to be struck out. Ms. O'Connor agreed that this happens regularly and is a perfectly normal part of the legal process. This suggests that there could be legitimate reasons for these summonses being dropped, reasons that have nothing to do with improper influence. Furthermore, Ms. O'Connor was asked if she knew whether any of the judges who made these decisions were contacted or made aware of any issues asterisk after asterisk they had made their ruling. Her response was clear. "No, I'm not aware." This answer could be crucial, as it suggests that the judge's decisions, once made, were final and not subsequently influenced. So, who are the individuals at the center of this trial? We have former Garda Superintendent Eamon O'Neill, Sergeant Anne Marie Hassett, Sergeant Michelle Leahy, Garda Colm Geary, and Garda Tom McGlinchey. All 5 have pleaded not guilty to a combined total of 39 charges. The specific charge is engaging in conduct intended to pervert the course of justice, with the alleged offenses occurring between October 2016 and September 2019. This entire case stems from a major investigation conducted by the National Bureau of Criminal Investigation, which is the Gardaí's top-tier detective unit. This trial really puts the spotlight on the procedures and integrity of our justice system. On one hand, the prosecution is presenting a pattern of dropped summonses, implying that something improper was going on behind the scenes. On the other hand, the defense argues that these are standard court procedures, and that the ultimate power always lies with the independent judge. As the trial continues, the jury will have to weigh these two competing narratives. Is this a case of officers using their position to improperly influence the legal process, or is it a misunderstanding of normal court operations? It's a complex situation with significant implications for everyone involved and for public trust in law enforcement. We will be keeping a close eye on this case as it unfolds, and we'll bring you updates as soon as we have them. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth legal stories. We'll see you in the next one.